Maybe if I freeze, she won't see me with her balls. Oh my gosh, she threw one of her balls. She threw both of her balls at me. Oh my gosh. Bad, Christina, get away! Back away! Back away! Back away! Back away! Okay, I'm gonna cut this one short, so goodbye!